Hi, I'm Tolga.
I'm Taylor.
We're going to talk a bit about the cloud and why customers should go to the cloud. I think, Taylor, traditionally, we've seen customers look for cost and scale reasons, maybe to convert CapEx to OpEx. These types of data center consolidation projects that are about efficient operations and really sort of an IT-centric view of the cloud migration process. But what we see even more beneficial than that for customers is the innovative power of the cloud. That the future of innovation for many customers for the next decade is going to be powered by the outcome of this cloud move for them. They're going to learn faster and fail faster, innovate faster, and become more competitive with in their industry by being able to leverage not just the cost savings of the cloud, but also the higher up the stack services, whether it's in machine learning or data or IoT, by avoiding all that sort of undifferentiated heavy lifting that would have either made other projects take longer or maybe even resulted in some projects never getting off the ground because the ROI would have never been there in the old world.
Yeah, that's right. But some of that flexibility is really coming from the vast array of cloud services that have emerged. And so now you've really got all these capabilities and the cloud's really become a place for builders to build. It's just a set of tools or bricks they can put together. So adopting it's a little bit more challenging than just migrating or switching your infrastructure. We're seeing a lot of customers really needing to embrace new skill sets, new tool sets that are native just to the cloud, and complete processes around how they develop and how they architect. And really it's more of a transformation to take advantage of this innovation you're talking about. You've really got to come up with new ways to embrace that, new ways to create these new tools.
And that transformation feels like it kind of comes on a spectrum. So if on the left-hand side of the spectrum we had data center thinking, the way we used to think about the world, and on the right-hand side of the spectrum we have cloud native thinking. You look at the left hand and it's like virtual machines and security monitoring, and on the right hand you look at like containers and serverless and security automation as sort of the analogs. So I'm seeing customers increasingly adopt, midway towards the right-hand side of that spectrum and not just focus on data center approaches to the cloud.
Yeah, those are some great examples. I mean, we're seeing this happen across all the spectrum of technology, right? We're seeing data approaches that were more around, big data warehouses, big data structures, going into data lakes and just focusing on getting all the data in its native forms in a certain place. We're seeing application designs be more event-driven, more focused on the problem they're solving versus the technology they're built on. And we're even seeing the cloud open up a lot of emerging technologies. I mean, really just speeding the development of approaches like AI and ML and even robotics and satellite communications now.
Yeah, it's really interesting. I'm actually really excited about the ongoing investments that AWS and Onica are making in data, ML, serverless, IoT. I think these are areas to watch over the coming year as the pace of innovation here is really picking up.
Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Thanks for the chat, Taylor.
Yeah, thanks.